Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity. On behalf of the Director of Veterinary Services, Dr. Patrick Abake, I'm here to enlighten the populace on the dangers of the highly pathogenic avian influenza outbreak we are currently battling with in the country. As you said, you yourself know that the poultry industry is one of the most important animal production systems that we have in the country. So when you have such a disease that comes in and wipes out a lot of birds, everybody is scared, not only because you raise your table, but also the economic impact and the public health and social and psychological effect that may have also on the farmers. So let me use this opportunity to empathize with everybody and try to use your medium to let people be aware that it can be as close as to your table as it is. But currently, looking at the measures that we have put in place in accordance with international regulations, the World Organization for Animal Health guidelines, we think that Ghanaians, for the meantime, should not panic. Things will be under control soon. We are putting a lot of epidemiological and laboratory investigative mechanisms in place, and we are fighting to make sure that the spread is limited to only those areas that it is currently happening.
Okay.
So you can be rest assured that it may not reach your table soon.
So how does it, how do you know this is an infected bird?
Yeah, you know, there are a lot of things you look for in a flock of birds. For example, if you observe some sudden deaths of birds and you look at some of the symptoms, like look at the head, you know, swelling head, you look at the wattles, you look at the comb, you see, they're all swollen and it becomes cyanotic, they're bluish in color, and they die instantly. In fact, when the highly pathogenic influenza affects a bird, it's momentarily. Even in front of you, they'll be dying in front of you. So you can know. Once it is the highly pathogenic one, if it is the low pathogenic one, you will see it's very classically, it may just come in the form of like a Newcastle one-off and this and that. But this one is mass death that occurs.
Okay, so they get sick and they suddenly die.
They die immediately. Yeah.
Is this something that was brought in